Glam dolls, welcome back to the channel. Oh my gosh, I have been missing on this channel for quite some time, and it's all within good reasoning and good cause. Kind of like what you can kind of see in my background a little bit. Before I get too far into this video, if you happen to be a newbie passing through, seeing me for the very first time, as I just said, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Glam, and in this community, I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget, who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. I do encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me. Even though I know it looks crazy right now in the background, but trust me, you don't want to miss what be happening on this channel. You don't want to do that. Which brings me to today's video. To my glam dolls of the community, my official glam dolls, meaning my subscribed glam dolls. I come on here today, honestly, to apologize to you all. I have been MIA, at least here on YouTube, and it's, as I just said, all within very good reason and cause. I'm knee deep in my home remodeling process. Yes, the background is going to change. There was no more way of hiding that from you dolls or popping up on a surprise, because I know I do a lot of recording and it was inevitable. So I might as well just come out with it and just say that's just what it is. I've been consumed with home plans, picking out new appliances, flooring, paint, I mean the whole shebang bang bang of renovating my condo. And this room here that I'm standing in, this was my dressing room, or rather I like to call mine boutique. The entire scope, layout, change of it, the furniture of it, all that is going to change. The flooring is changing. And you know, I just wanted to come on here and just share with you all what's going on, because there's also content that's going to be changing here on this channel, or adding new content in on this channel for that matter. There's so much more to me than standing in this room, or you know, the little bit of vlogs I may share with you all from time to time, what I'm doing outside in the world. But like, for example, I like to cook. I don't think you knew I like to cook, but I like to cook. I mean, I've been married, you know, my husband been together now for like 24 years, and he ain't with me just because I know a few things, but he's with me because also he loves my cooking, and his circle loves my cooking. My circle loves my cooking, and I'm certain you're gonna love my cooking. So I'm having a new kitchen done over. I will be incorporating some cooking on this channel. More home lifestyle videos on this channel. I'm going to be doing some home decor shopping, and I want to share this part of my journey with you all. And yeah, I just want to do that. And like I said, I apologize for being in and out of YouTube. Yeah, I'm changing, so I'm packing up. Look, I'm packing up my vanity. I don't know if some of y'all seen that. My vanity where I do my makeup at. I do, trust me, I do have the room tour already on this channel. Alright? But I think what I'm going to do is probably create the breakdown of the room, and then you're going to see it rebuilt back up. I mean, if you thought this room looked nice the way it was, you better hit that subscribe button right there. Hit that subscribe button, because dolls, y'all going to really like the change that I'm making in here. Yeah, I mean, I did enjoy this whole setup, but you're gonna really like the new setup that's coming. And yeah, so that's about it. I just want to jump on here because I've been missing for a while. Oh, updates. I do have now MzGlamourAddict.com right there, which is MzGlamourAddict.com. I do have a full cosmetic line to the newbies that's passing through. On the website, if you haven't done so or visited the website yet, I do encourage that you do so. And if you decide to do so, sign up for the beauty alerts so you never miss out on the sales and promotions and goodies that I have going on over there. I have my full cosmetic line on the website, as well as items from my personal closet. Yes, on MzGlamourAddict.com website is a link up in the menu that says personal closet, and within that personal closet, the name speaks for itself, is items from my personal closet that's either brand new or maybe gently worn, like for the video purposes, like a lot of my wigs that I wear on this channel, clothing that you've seen me haul from Rainbow or H&M or from wherever I may have gotten it from. Tried it on, I probably wore it like once or twice, whatever. The point is, it's all in excellent like new condition. I promise you that. Excellent like new condition, and it's available on MzGlamourAddict.com website. And when you sign up, you know, join the email, the mailing list, you immediately do get a special first time discount. Okay, when you join, you get a first time discount. But not only do you get that first time discount, it's also going to open the door to invite you in on the secondary platform that I'm also creating in the background, where I'm building a true official Glam Dolls community that's filled with a plethora of different resources tailored to this community here. You're going to have resources for those who want to become a published author. You're going to have resources for those who want to honestly be a YouTuber or a vlogger. Resources for those who's going into fashion, you know, fashion and merchandising. Maybe you want to start your own t-shirt line. Maybe you want to start your own fashion line, you know, resources. It's going to be a plethora of resources that's coming to MzGlamourAddict.com website, which it'll be a portal, and you're going to have membership that you can link yourself into that will give you behind the scenes exclusive, all right, no gatekeeping, consumer direct information that will help catapult you into the next part of whatever journey it is you on, that you may see on there that serves your interest. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm doing that because the one thing about me, I'm not for the gatekeeping. If there's something that I know that can help you, I'm willing to share it with you and help you. And it's going to be available on MzGlamourAddict.com website. Now that is coming soon. I'm already in the first quarter of the year. Definitely before the end of this first quarter of the year, you will see that membership come up. That's why I'm telling you, join the website. Put in your email address, and that way when I'm ready to do a soft launch of the new portal on the website, you'll get first access dibs to it. I'm talking ebooks. It's a lot. It's a lot. I got a team behind me that's doing some amazing work that you all is going to greatly benefit from. I promise you that. But for that I'm going to get back into packing these things away. Don't worry, content is coming. It's going to be a little bit different. Oh wait, before you go, the Blue Bag Boutique. Oh my gosh, before you go, I'm telling you all right now as I'm filming this video, the blazers. Okay, remember this blazer right here? I tried on the black one, and I was saying to you all how that blazer, and I paired it with that skirt and whatnot, but we talking about the blazer, right? That blazer, honey, why is it on sale for $7 on the clearance rack? I went back and I got this color right here. I got it in this color right here. Look at this. What? $7. Y'all know I got a video coming for y'all. I got some goodies to share with you all. I just want to share this one blazer with you all because I know it's on clearance. It's also on the RainbowShops.com website. Go on their website. Check out the clearance department. Everything, I'm telling you, they getting ready to, you know, bring in a spring line. So a lot of their fall and winter items is like $5, $7, and $10 that you might have had an eye out for. Even they boots are on clearance. So yeah. All right, seriously, this now have concluded the video. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Oh my gosh, this was a quick cutaway because seriously, I had started rambling, but I know I just edited out what I was just saying. This ends the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I promise you, new and improved content is coming to this channel. You're going to see the process of me clearing everything out and rebuilding everything back up, as well as in between content of Blue Bag Boutique and other videos that's to come. Stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Turn on the bell notification so none of you will miss the uploads, and I will see you in the next video that's coming up shortly. I'm gonna go back, start packing. Later, dolls.